I had a first look at Mopak with the Urban Day Pack and the original Wanderer Sling, which left a very positive impression as quality, affordable carry. And today we got a first look at the newest addition in the series, which is the Wanderer Grande Sling. And this sits alongside the original Wanderer, but it's bigger. There's so many new features, improvements, and updates that I want to give you a sneak peek into. This is an early preview, so things can change, but I'm hearing it's largely going to be what you can expect when everything is all finalized. So yeah, use this as a good reference. Mopak are running a crowdfunding campaign on the Wanderer Grande, so if you want to be one of the first to back it, access and maybe get some kind of incentives, and if you do want to support the channel and find this video useful, then use the links down in the pinned comment and the video description. First look at the Mopak Wanderer Grande Sling. Let's talk about it.
Love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric.
Many months on, I still like the light, compact and low profile nature of the original Wanderer Sling, but the Grande takes it up several notches and feels completely different with enough design cues that resemble the original Wanderer series. Grande levels up the recycled poly 600D material found in the original with recycled coffee ground leather. It does translate into a very smooth, really presentable and premium finish. You can literally smell the coffee. It actually smells good. It's got kind of a trapezium front shape which tapers towards the bottom. You've got the Mopak logo in the top right hand corner with that contrasting silver finish. At its widest, the Grande is 37 centimeters wide, 20.5 centimeters tall, and 12 centimeters deep. It packs up to 6 liters of gear across the 3 sections, and together with the recycled coffee ground leather, the larger size, and overall just much more denser fabrics, it's going to weigh a little bit heavier at 760 grams. There's a lot more pockets in the Grande, but it still retains the general compartments and base frame of what you got in the original. Very stretchy and cavernous compartments, one on this side and one on this side. They're the same size and very roomy, so you can fit quite a few bulky things in there. And I did note in the original how this was a lot more expansive for you to fit in, and that's still definitely the case, just a lot more oversized. Materials feel a lot more substantial, durable, thicker, nice feeling and high quality. The zippers have also undergone some treatment, so now you'll find waterproof zippers with the same diamond pattern pulleys that I really liked. And you can tell with the kind of glossy finish of that zipper, this is even glossier, and that's going to keep everything weather sealed and watertight. The coffee ground leather is inherently water resistant. The zippers do have more drag and effort you need to pull it, but it's a nice trade-off for having that waterproofing quality. The shoulder straps are quite a bit wider. I would say roughly 20% over the original Wanderer Sling, considering this is a lot larger, and they have made a big improvement to the buckle, which wasn't that easy on the Wanderer Sling. It's very slimline. It's also magnetic, very solid and tight, but easy to break away. They've still kept the metal hardware, which is great, adds to that premium and quality feel, and they use it for the adjusters, the attachments, and the sliders. Towards the back, we have one of the 3 panels. They've added 2 internal pockets like in the front, but with a liner material, and everything again just feels really high quality. Little icons for like cables and wireless earbud cases. And don't forget, you still have the general rear section besides those 2 newly added pockets. The original Wanderer still retains the crown for being the most flat pack and compact, but this one, despite all of those extra upgrades, yeah, it's still pretty sleek. Now the middle part is arguably one of the biggest areas that Mopak have upgraded. Got a nice dark gray liner. You still get the same pulleys and the somewhat smaller zippers found also on the original. That one zips in and out great. footprint inside this middle section is even larger. So not only have they oversized it, they've added a little bit more depth. The zippered section has also undergone quite a big update. It's no longer a mesh, it's the same internal like dark gray liner. They have added an RFID blocking tab or sleeve inside, and it's big enough for a mobile phone, even quite a large wallet. That's just going to protect your bank cards, your contactless phone. I've saved the best till last, as the original Wanderer Sling was known for its hidden bottle pockets, and I would even say comfortably the Grande has made it that much better. Oh, there it is. That is the new hidden bottle pocket. Mopak have added 2 strong magnets that kind of run down the entrance on both sides, so you can insert your bottle pocket from the left or the right, and when you're not using it, it keeps everything flush. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice magnet click, really satisfying, not loud, noisy or screechy. Very dampened and actually pleasant to the ears. They've also improved it by replacing the fixed material with this slightly stretchy but very firm sort of like elasticated loop. 2 returning cameos of the water bottles. This one complements the Wanderer Grande very nicely, angular and also slim. But if you have more of a traditional bottle, I've got my Lark Pure Viz bottle, and this one is 740 millimeter cylindrical. We'll open the magnet, slide it through, and it's closed back in. On the other side, you cannot even see it to take in and out. This one runs a little bit longer than the elasticated loop, so I kind of have it angled. The recycled coffee ground leather panel that holds it all together. Still pretty streamlined considering this is a very large bottle. So if you're a person that likes to bring a very large bottle, or someone that likes to be a bit more minimal, which I like to be, yeah, that looks really nice. My iPad mini 6, which kind of struggled in the original Wanderer Sling. You can put it of course in the main section, but now the divider is fit for purpose, so I can slide that towards the back. For the zippered RFID section, I'm gonna throw my passport wallet sleeve. When you close the zipper, that's still got all the RFID protection. Slot my nothing ear open case in that liner sleeve, and since this is pretty flat packed, it does work nicely. If I want a bit more rear security, I can throw my Nothing Phone 2 just in that general space, and that's also going to keep everything flattened. I could move it towards the front if I want a bit more access, but for travel security, the rear is nice. Towards the front, I have my GoPro Hero 11, say if I'm going on vacation, you could throw it here. You could even throw it in the mid section, but since this is quite expansive, I want to test how well it holds more bulkier things. The GoPro 11 held nicely in that mesh sleeve. All of that considering we still have the slim water bottle that's easy to take out and put back in. Boom. Another thing I can throw in is my travel speakers, the Marshall Willens, and I can throw something else in here. This is the Sony a7 IV, and you would have to break it down from your lens, but if I really wanted to, you could probably have 2 bodies, maybe your prime lens sitting next to it, and it doubles up as like a camera hybrid alongside your other gear. And of course, depending on your bottle, if you're carrying this, then I would say it's a bit too tight for my liking, but you do have the option, and with my slim bottle, I feel pretty good about it. And I have to say, everything still looks really presentable, pressing slightly, but not uncomfortable. Potentially even this 7200 G Master lens. Let's see. Then yeah. packed out from the top, but from the front, you actually can't really tell much. If I do take out the GoPro Hero 11, then actually things become a lot easier. Yeah, why not? I don't have any trouble lugging even this kind of gear load. So the Mopak Wanderer Grande is upgraded in pretty much every single way. I can definitely say among the original and the Grande that this one is going to give you a super satisfying and higher end experience. For all of the checklist features that were missing in the original Wanderer that I would have liked to see in a V2 version, the Grande pretty much ticks all of them. I'll have to say that Mopak's been pretty bold on their choice of the recycled coffee ground leather. May not necessarily be to everyone's liking, but it definitely grows on you. So thanks a lot for joining me, Team KBA. I'll see you in the next one. But until then, keep being awesome. Peace.
Love it how you love me electric, like you do.